Hey, how you all doing? Oh, I need a haircut. Anyway, I thought I'd give you a little update on what's going on. I've got my pieces of wood. They're gonna run along my frame rail there to go between it and the rails which make up the flatbed, so that's pretty exciting. It is a wood called sapele. It is a hardwood. So I've got a guy in town who's ripped these down and planed them to the exact dimensions. It's 60 that way and 40 that way, sort of sit flat on the top of this rail. And, you know, it'll just take out the imperfections and prevent rusting and things like that. I've got my exit button covers. I am planning on doing a video to show you how I make these and how they're done. At the moment, I'm working on painting some side steps for my father's XC90 to help my mother, who's a bit disabled, get in and out. I bought these genuine XC90 ones rather than any kind of aftermarket because they bolt on in like a factory location, and I want them to meet all kinds of standards. But they're like an old alloy wheel. They've gotten a bit tatty, so I haven't got time to send them to a powder coater. So I'm just going to dust over it with some black grey actually. It's the name of the shade. I'll show you those when they're done. Still nothing really happened with Rusty the KB1. Plenty happening with the GMC, getting all the linkages set up. Got the throttle pedal working now. Just when I get a chance, if I'm taking care of Scarlett in here or something like that, I'll get another piece installed. I think I'm going to do the choke next. I've got a chance to work on that. Other than that, the place is a bit of a mess. I want to try and get some organisation in here. I want to try and extend this upper floor all the way to the end at some point in the next couple of months. Working on up there as well. I want to make that a more usable space. Anyway, that's enough blabbering from me. I'm going to get this painted and get back to you. And there they are, finished. I just wanted to get a dusting over of some of that colour. It's called black grey. I like to use it. It's quite durable. I've had it on my side steps here for a while, and me and the children have all been like jumping up around and scratching our feet on them, and it's not wearing down. If anything, it's shining it up a bit. So what is it? It's a satin finish, I think. But yeah, so that's that done. I spent ages cleaning up and freeing up the original choke cable. Installed it, tightened it off, everything. It won't reach the choke. So that sucks. I've got this aftermarket one. So I'll just see if I can switch over the knobs. I'm sure I can. It's just the way I put it in and tightened it all off, and all pleased with myself. Completely wasted that 10 minutes. Anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching. Little catch-up video from Rocard HQ. I'd love to hear your comments. I really do like the engagement on the channel. Anyway, catch you later.